I'll be making three greens, mixed greens with Katla fish oil. So welcome to Jayasree Kadai Katha, and I'll be telling you how to make this special authentic recipe in this channel, YouTube channel. So sit tight and let's begin this recipe. I have taken three different variety of greens. One is radish green, another is methi saag, methi greens or fenugreek leaves green, and third one is spinach green. There are three variety of greens. So this is basically mixed green. So the recipe, the cutting of all these greens has been finely done and been washed properly and kept it in a container. Now I'll be chopping the garlic to fine chopped and slicing the green chili properly in the manner you can see, and a small onion chopped. Now I'll take a kadai, put refined oil, then put the fish oil, allowing it to melt completely. In this stage you have to put onion seed, black onion seed, which is English, and Hindi it is there, they say it is kalonji. And you have to put garlic and green chili together and onion. You have to saute this for some time, then add turmeric and all the mixed greens together and stir for some more time. Then put the lid on. When you put the lid, the quantity of the greens reduces drastically. Now you have to add little salt, then again stir it for some more time. Then put the lid on to cook and incorporate all the flavors within each other. So before removing, I'll be putting the garam masala and stir it for some more time. Then remove it, and I'm plating it in a bowl with the mixed green with Katla fish oil. It's looking so delicious and it is very much tasty and it's amazing. You can have this with any of the rice variety. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I have given the recipe details at the end of the video.